What amperage rating should my outdoor power strip have? If you are gearing up for outdoor activities and wondering what amperage rating your outdoor power strip should have, you are in the right spot. Let's break it down so you can make the best choice for your needs. When selecting an outdoor power strip, the amperage rating is key. It should match or exceed the total current draw of all the devices you plan to connect. Most outdoor power strips come rated for either 15 amps or 20 amps. These ratings correspond to typical household circuit capacities, making them suitable for various outdoor uses. To figure out what amperage you need, start by calculating the total wattage of your outdoor equipment. This could include items like fishing lights, electric coolers, or water pumps. Since household voltage is usually 120 volts, you can estimate the amperage by dividing the total wattage by 120. For example, if your devices total 1800 watts, you will need a power strip rated for at least 15 amps. This is because 1800 watts divided by 120 volts equals 15 amps. If you plan to power heavier equipment or multiple devices that total up to 2400 watts, a 20 amp rated strip is a safer choice. It is also important to consider the weather conditions when using outdoor power strips. They must be designed to withstand rain, dust, and damp conditions. Look for power strips with proper weather resistance ratings, such as IP44 or IP65. Safety certifications are equally important. Ensure the power strip has a Underwriters Laboratories listing to confirm it can handle outdoor use without risk of electrical shock or fire. From a fishing perspective, outdoor power strips can be particularly useful. They can power gear like underwater lights, fish finders, or electric reels. Ensuring the amperage rating matches your total power needs is essential. This prevents overloads that could interrupt your fishing setup or damage your equipment. Using a strip with overload protection adds an extra layer of safety when working near water. In summary, select an outdoor power strip with an amperage rating that covers the combined current of your outdoor devices. Typically, you will want a rating of either 15 or 20 amps. Make sure it is also weatherproof and safety certified for reliable operation.